Faneuil Hall is a marketplace and meeting hall located near the waterfront and today's Government Center in Boston, Massachusetts. Opened in 1742, it was the site of several speeches by Samuel Adams, James Otis, and others encouraging independence from Great Britain. It is now part of Boston National Historical Park and a well-known stop on the Freedom Trail. It is sometimes referred to as the Cradle of Liberty, though the building and location have ties to slavery. In 2008, Faneuil Hall was rated number 4 in America's 25 most visited tourist sites by Forbes Traveler. After the project of erecting a public market house in Boston had been discussed for some years, slave merchant Peter Faneuil offered, at a public meeting in 1740, to build a suitable edifice at his own cost as a gift to the town. There was a strong opposition to market houses, citation needed, and although a vote of thanks was passed unanimously, his offer was accepted by a majority of only 7. Funded in part by profits from slave trading, the building was begun in Dock Square in September of the same year. It was built by artist John Smibert in 1740 to 1742 in the style of an English country market, with an open ground floor serving as the market house and an assembly room above. According to Sean Hennessy, a National Park Service spokesman, some of Boston's early slave auctions took place near Faneuil Hall.